Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Here we are having this beautiful exponential equation, and then you can see 2 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x equals to 155. So what will be the value of x? And please here, let me make a disclaimer. We are going to be solving for the real values, not the imaginary value. Okay, so let's just get started. So we have a solution. So we have 2 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x equal to 155. So now I'm going to rewrite this and this in base 2. So we have 2 to the power of x. So 4 to the power of x becomes 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of x plus 8 becomes 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of x equal to 155. So according to this rule, we have a to the power of n all to the power of n is the same thing as a to the power of mn, which is the same thing as a to the power of n all to the power of n. So I'm going to apply this law here. So what I mean is that I'm going to switch this and this for this. So the equation now becomes 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x all squared plus 3 to the power of x all cubed equal to 155. So the next thing now is to say let m equal to 2 to the power of x. So wherever we see 2 to the power of x, we simply put m. Okay, so the equation becomes m plus m squared plus m cubed equals to 155. So we're going to solve this now as a cubic equation. So let's continue from this end. So we have m cubed plus m squared plus m minus 155 equal to 0. So what I'm going to do now is to rewrite 155 in such a way that we are going to obtain the perfect square and the perfect cube. Okay, so we have m cubed plus m squared plus m minus 125 minus 25 minus 5 equal to 0. So I'll bring this perfect cube and perfect cube together. Perfect square and perfect square together, m squared minus 25. Then of course, m minus 5 equal to 0. So rewriting this, we have m cubed minus 5 cubed plus m squared minus 5 squared plus m minus 5 equal to 0. So I want you guys to recall this identity. If I have a cubed minus b cubed, this is the same thing as a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Same way, if we have a squared minus b squared, this is the same as a minus b times a plus b, all in brackets. Okay, so I'm going to apply this difference of 2 cubes to resolve this, and I'll apply difference of 2 squares to this. And so the equation now becomes m minus 5 times m squared plus 5m plus 25, okay, times m minus 5. Okay, this is going to be plus now. Sorry about that. M plus 5, then plus m minus 5 all equal to 0. And so if you can see now that, you will see or notice now that m minus 5 can factor out. Okay, so let's factor out m minus 5. So we have m minus 5 times m squared plus 5m plus 25 plus m plus 5 plus 1 here. So we have m minus 5 times n squared. So 5m plus n, that will be 6m. 25 plus 5 is 30 plus 1, that is 31, all equal to 0. So let's solve that. So from that end, we have m minus 5 equal to 0, or m squared plus 6m plus 31 equal to 0. So it means that m equal to 5, or m squared plus 6m plus 31 equal to 0. So we have a solution, m equals to 5. So let's see what this will give us. From the look of this does not look like we are going to have a real solution. So let's check if we have a real solution. B squared, I'm going to check discriminant. D equals to b squared minus 4ac. So this will give me a is 1, b is 6, and c is 31. So we have 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 31. So we have 36 minus 124. This is minus 88. This does not have a real solution, so this is imaginary roots. This has imaginary roots. Okay, so we work with the real solution where m equals to 5. But we also have it that, but then m is also equal to 2 to the power of x. Therefore, or this implies that 2 to the power of x equal to 5. And so if we solve this by log, let's take common log to both sides to base 10. So we have log 2 to the power of x base 10 equal to log 5 to base 10. This is the same thing as saying x log 2 base 10 equals to log 5. So let's solve that. So it means that x will be equal to log 5 base 10 all over log 2 base 10. So the value of log 5 base 10, so it means that actually log 5 base 10 is 0.699 all over log 2 base 10 is 0.3010. So when this is divided, once we divide this, we are going to get 2.3217, which is approximately equal to 2.322. So there you have it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. But before then, there's a video showing right on your screen. It contains a playlist of some of the videos on my channel. Please, I want you to click on that to go ahead and watch some of these important videos. And I'll see you in my next class. Bye-bye.